10 mistakes you should avoid on Facebook. Those people use Facebook just to waste their time. They mindlessly scroll through their feed, get into pointless debates, and spread negativity everywhere. But there's more to it than that. Here are 10 mistakes you should avoid on Facebook. No. 1. Wasting time. The biggest mistake you can make on Facebook is simply wasting your time. Time is the most valuable thing we have, and yet most people spend hours every day on Facebook doing nothing productive. Instead of scrolling through your feed, try engaging with your friends or joining groups related to your interests. No. 2. Oversharing. Another mistake to avoid is oversharing personal information. Be careful what you post on Facebook, as it can have serious consequences. For example, if you complain about your job on Facebook and a family member who works there sees it, it could cause tension within your family. Therefore, be mindful of what you share on Facebook and protect your privacy. No. 3. Fake news. Many people believe everything they see on Facebook, which can lead to serious consequences. Before sharing any news on Facebook, take the time to verify its authenticity. You can use Google to search for the article and check other sources to ensure its reliability. Otherwise, you may end up spreading fake news and contributing to the spread of misinformation. Number 4. Online games and irrelevant videos. Another way people waste time on Facebook is by playing online games or watching irrelevant videos. Instead, use this time to engage in meaningful conversations or learn something new. If you want to play games or watch videos, there are specific platforms for that purpose, such as YouTube and Twitch. No. 5. Being addicted to Facebook. Spending too much time on Facebook can be detrimental to your mental health. If you find yourself spending more than 2 hours per day on Facebook, it's crucial to take action. Start by setting a daily limit for your Facebook usage and gradually decrease it over time. This will help you control your addiction and prevent it from negatively impacting your life. No. 6. Spreading negativity. It's natural to feel angry or upset at times, but avoid expressing these emotions on Facebook. If you're feeling negative, take a break from social media and engage in activities that improve your mood, such as exercising or spending time with loved ones. Remember that Facebook users can't physically hurt you, so don't let their negativity affect your mental health. No. 7. Hate comments. Another mistake to avoid on Facebook is engaging in hate speech. If someone makes a hate comment on your post, don't take it seriously. Simply ignore it and move on. Engaging with such comments will only give the haters what they want: attention. No. 8. Showing off. Some people use Facebook to show off their luxury items such as cars and clothes. This behavior can be off-putting to others and make them feel bad about themselves. Instead, focus on building genuine connections with people on Facebook rather than trying to impress them with your material possessions. No. 9. Facebook arguments. Getting into arguments or discussing politics on Facebook is another big mistake. These discussions often lead to heated debates and can ruin friendships. If you find yourself getting drawn into a political discussion on Facebook, try to steer the conversation towards a more positive topic, or simply disengage from it altogether. No. 10. Comparing yourself to others. Comparing yourself to others on Facebook is a big mistake that can lead to feelings of inadequacy and jealousy. Everyone's life is different, and comparing yourself to others will only make you feel bad about your own life. Instead, focus on your own goals and achievements and celebrate the success of others without comparing yourself to them. Remember, Facebook is meant to be a platform for sharing and connecting with others. By avoiding these 10 mistakes, you can have a more positive and fulfilling experience on Facebook.